Welcome to Hey Grill Hey. I'm Susie and today I'm giving you all of my tips and tricks for grilling the perfect chicken breast every single time. Let's get started. Italian dressing is awesome. It really does add a ton in terms of flavor, and it helps with the tenderness and the overall juiciness of the chicken itself. This is my veggie shake. So then we season liberally and take it out to the grill. And this is kind of where, the magic happens. Cooking your chicken breast on indirect heat. And indirect heat means the heat in the grill is circulating, but the flames aren't directly under the chicken itself. Pull it off at 160, wrap it really tightly, let it finish cooking on its own with that momentum that you've given it from that final hot sear on the grill. So that's it, you guys. 5 simple steps to absolutely perfect grilled chicken every single time. I hope you guys love this video, and I especially hope that you hit subscribe because I would love to see you back here and share more videos with you as we go forward and build our channel. Have a great one.